Northern service to York. The next stop is York.
Right, Hugo. Yeah. I've got a rest now. Look at my arm. My arm kills. Yeah, Hugo, I won't be at work for that. By that point, I'll be in home. Pardon, Ruben. What do you think to my recording setup with the Tyrell's crisps in it? The crisps aren't very fresh.
Customers are reminded to keep all personal belongings with them at all times. If you see anything suspicious, please report it to a member of staff or the British Transport Police. We hope you've enjoyed travelling with Northern today. As you leave the train, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
We've got the road. You didn't say if you look good. I said it's your lucky day. He said if you look good. No. We've got the road because we normally sit here. Yeah, Hugo, I like coming into York from this side. Oh, we're going in one. Oh, we off into one, are we?
Yeah, I'm just getting back into York from Church Fenton. See, just left it.
Oh, typical.
There's a one already.
Oh yeah, he has just left Leeds. It's 59. Literally just leaving now. Nice.
Thanks for travelling with Northern today. We hope you have a pleasant onward journey.